The Shrinkwrap Modifier is one of the most valuable tools in the entire 3D modeling process. The modifier adjusts the surface of your 3D model to wrap around the target object. Although it might sound simple, it opens up numerous possibilities and use cases, making it, in my opinion, the most crucial modifier for creating professional 3D models. The Shrinkwrap Modifier is excellent for creating clothing and accessories by conforming the geometry to fit a character's body. Retopology would be impossible without the Shrinkwrap Modifier. It is the essential tool that helps you trace the target geometry to create the most optimal low-poly version of your model. Combined with the multi-resolution modifier, you can use the Shrinkwrap to transfer details from a high-poly model to its corresponding low-poly version. Check out the video description if you want to know how to do this. The Shrinkwrap Modifier has a few key properties. The wrap method dictates how the wrapping process occurs. In 99% of cases we will use these two options, nearest surface point and project. The method depends on the use case and must be adjusted accordingly. For example, in retopology, nearest surface point works best, while transferring details requires the project method. The snap mode determines where the mesh should snap to the target object. Above surface works best in most cases. Target is self-explanatory. Select the target your mesh should snap to. The offset controls the distance between your mesh and the target mesh. With the vertex group you can control the strength of the modifier for each vertex. There are a few things to pay attention to when using the Shrinkwrap Modifier. The target geometry's poly count is essential for better control. You can mitigate this by using snap with face project and align individual elements. However, this complicates things when you turn off snap afterward. The offset is dependent on your object's transform, so make sure to apply rotation and scale before using the modifier. There is no one-size-fits-all formula. You have to test different wrap methods in combination with various snap modes to achieve the best result.